Alrighty, so I'm working on my 73 Ventura today. We got the engine all pulled out, the transmission's down there. So I started disassembling the engine. I got the heads and stuff all off. Pretty normal tear and wear for an engine from 73. Got the heads over here. I'm going to post a photo up on the screen. This one has a cracked valve. So I'm getting new cams, bearings all around. Might do new pistons most likely, and then the heads are getting sent out to the machine shop. I gotta get a new oil pan. This one's pretty dinged up and old, so